We got a very special guest joining us this Sunday, so let's go. Last Sunday, sending it. It was doing good, it was running great, and then all of a sudden... started?
No.
At least tell me, bro. Dude, you look like you just walked out of Goa.
I literally did though.
Literally did. As you can see from the last episode, we went ahead and hit the 3 series. I just called it a 3 series. We just went ahead and hit the M3 up with the graphene coating. How's it looking, Roll? Shining.
Shining. You have to wait, see it in sunlight then.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it in the sunlight because we took delivery last night. Believe it or not, I have these really shitty taillight, smoke taillight thingy-majigs on here. I removed that off and it looks so much better. I completely forgot. By the way, check this out. You guys remember my buddy Joey? He has the sickest cars ever. I sold him my 300ZX. He has the craziest car collection, all one-of-ones. And this is one of them. It's a CLA 45 with a Ferry designed wide body kit. And it's totally insane. We're gonna do a review of this soon. He was nice enough to let me borrow it because, I'll tell you why. He was so nice. Joey's a great friend, man. He felt bad and he let me borrow it. I'll let you know why he felt bad. So let's get this car started, put some heat in the engine, and we got a very special guest joining us this Sunday, so let's go. So guys, I'm really sad to break it to you guys, but did I tell you, Roll?
No.
I blew the turbo on the Evo.
What?
I didn't tell you?
No.
Yeah, I blew the turbo on the Evo, man. Last Sunday, sending it. It was doing good, it was running great, and then all of a sudden, the car was naturally aspirated. It's not even going in a boost. There's no turbo. I was like, what the hell? But don't worry, when something breaks, it's always time to upgrade. So there's only two ways this is gonna go. We're either gonna upgrade to a bigger turbo for the time being if it works out. If not, I'll have to downgrade to like a stock turbo, which is still good enough. You know, still makes good power, but it's not gonna fly like it used to, you know what I mean? Stock turbo, maybe, who knows? Maybe a bigger turbo. Let's see how it goes. Right now, of course, I'm gonna have to fill up some fuel. Meet up with our special guest, so give him any hints where he's from. Actually, if you saw the last vlog, you already know who he is. It's my buddy Sean. Why am I even... It's my buddy Sean from Hyderabad. He actually brought down this brand of graphene coating and he's labeled it under Mod Crew Detailing. That's his brand as well, Mod Crew. They're going to be coming out with, you know, merchandise for car people. A lot of car related stuff. Also a detailing place in Hyderabad soon. So, and a lot of places. Mumbai. Rap Style is one of the people who's going to be supplying his products. So stay tuned for that. And once again, shout out to Rap Style for doing an amazing job on this car. Of course, shout out to Mod Crew for the hookup. Well, do you have a Valentine?
No.
Can you be my Valentine? Man, Ruel's such a liar, bro. Watch, I'm gonna see his story. He's gonna be with like 3 different girls tomorrow.
I told you I have work tomorrow.
Yeah, right. Do you want to tell everyone the work?
At least I'm not spending money. I'll be getting money.
Yeah. Ruel's gonna be filming a guy proposing to his girlfriend. So on Valentine's Day. That's pretty cute.
Very cool.
Yeah. So we're gonna be doing car reveals and proposal videos from now on.
Crispy, yeah, that boy breast me. Head to toe, I'm gleaming, yeah, I know they can't miss me. See your boy a mile away, my kicks is really hitting. Looking like that meme, then them boys really spitting. I just put an ISO logo on a damn sweater vest. I got love. spot up or dribble shooting. Drip on point, peep the execution. On a higher resolution. Now you gotta see me do it. Now you gotta see us on it.
Right now, we're on our way to Bombay Coffee House. We're all itching to have some Eggs Benedict.
Yeah, it's been a while.
But you had some amazing food in Goa, so I don't even know. I don't even know what you're missing out on, really. But, yeah. Bombay Coffee House. Yeah, I'm starving. Gonna have a huge breakfast. But as you can see, Mr. Redline Auto House himself getting a little saucy today. Nice to see his car out.
A friend of me, if you used to envy me, don't petty me, keep that same energy. You ain't a friend of me, if you used to envy me, don't petty me, keep that same energy. Yeah, yeah.
We was in the trenches, now look how we out here ballin'. Popped up in the max, now we flooring in the fallin'. We ain't do a show in like a year, now we touring. Did a pop-up shopping, now we open up a store. Yeah. Keep our foot on gas, and you know we can't be stalling. Thank the man above, cause these blessings keep on pouring. Every time we drop, you know the people gon' support it. See into the future, I could tell it's gon' be more lit. Used to tell myself, now I'm wildin', can't afford it. We was in the stool every week, kept recording. Wrote this whole verse while I'm sitting on the toilet.
So we just got done a nice breakfast at Bombay Coffee House. We got Sean in the back. Again, this turned into BMW drive. I don't know how, but just finished our breakfast. We're gonna be heading home now. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that episode. Stay tuned and like, subscribe, and share, of course. Remember, guys, we want to hit 100,000 this year, so please help us out. Oh, by the way, guys, stay tuned. We got a lot coming up. We got our own drag race event. By the way, the other drag race event that was supposed to happen, the night drags, it got cancelled. Weekend Torque, we're actually going to do our own drag race event, so stay tuned for that. Crazy content coming up, just stay tuned. We're going to make up for all the lost time that Ruel was in Goa. So yeah, stay tuned, guys.